Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add or replace audio in YouTube video after upload. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to studio.youtube.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now when you did that, all you need to do is go and log into your YouTube channel. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to YouTube and create your own channel. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to YouTube studio videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the channel dashboard or the studio YouTube actual page where you have a lot of different options. So as you can see, on the left side, you have your channel, you have your profile picture, you have your dashboard, you have your content, analytics, you have comments, subtitles, copyright, earn, so your earnings, customization, you have the audio library, you have the settings, and you can send feedback if you have some. Also, guys, in the top right corner, you can go and switch your channels and see what you have about your channel, and of course, sign out of your channel if you want. You can have create, where you can go and upload your video. And here guys, on the main screen, as you can see in the dashboard, you have some things, some analytics about your channel, which you can always go and check out. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add or replace audio in YouTube video after upload. Go to the left side, click on content. After that, choose a video that you would like to edit. Then go to the editor mode, which is on the left side again. And here guys, you can, as you can see, click on audio and change the audio. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.